Are you tired of egg residues sticking to your pan? Let's make breakfast easier. In this video, we'll explore the essential features of the best egg pans available in 2026. A dedicated egg pan is designed for zero resistance release. This means no more fighting with broken yolks or getting stuck eggs. The right pan balances a low friction coating and responsive heat core for perfect egg results. When selecting the ideal egg pan, look for 4 key features. 1. A low resistance coating that's PFOA-free. 2. A lightweight and ergonomic handle for easy tossing and flipping. 3. A proper weight that sits flat for even heating yet is easy to maneuver. 4. Durable multi-layer coatings that last beyond 6 months. For those serious about breakfast, consider premium options like the Caraway Ceramic Fry Pan or the Zwilling Madura Plus Frying Pan. They are celebrated for their excellent heat distribution and non-stick capabilities. If you're looking for a mid-range choice, the Ninja NeverStick Ceramic Pro Fry Pan or Calphalon Hard Anodized Non-Stick Frying Pan offer reliability without breaking the bank. For the culinary enthusiasts, specialty pans like the Meson Carbon Nonstick Frying Pan and Hexclad Hybrid Nonstick Frying Pan balance durability and performance. A high-performance egg pan is not just a tool, it's an investment in hassle-free cooking. Remember, whether you prefer non-stick ceramic or hybrid technology, the right pan makes all the difference. Before you go, consider your cooking habits and nutritional needs when choosing your egg pan. Ready to make morning cooking easy? Check out the links below to find your perfect egg pan today.